We were solid, babe.
We were.
Those last few days don't count. That wasn't us.
She used to say she was the kite and I was the line. Like she was a creature of the clouds and I was a creature of the earth. And she'd say that without me, she'd become untethered and she would float away up into the air. And then without her, I would just, crash, just drop right down to the ground. But together...
And I'll build a fire, you fetch the water, and I'll lay the table. And in our hearts, we still pray for sons and daughters. And all those evenings out in the garden with red, red wine. These quiet hours turning to years.
I love you.
So much.
But it's all to come.
I recognized that light because it was ours.
And I'll build a fire, you fetch the water, and I'll lay the table. And in our hearts, we still pray for the sons and daughters.
Let them go.
I'll be alone again.
I would have laid down with you. I would have followed you right into the darkness.
Are you sure?
It's all to come.
You guys go on without me.
How could we?
For now.